Hi, my name is Sudarshan and I am from Tamil Nadu. Basically, I am an engineering graduate student from Bharatiya University in Coimbatore. Um, um, I would like to share my experience of our Jspiders. Um, Jspiders Rajajinagar is a very good platform to learning programming languages. It's really a big and good institute. People are got placed as soon as possible because there will be good trainers and acquiring knowledge with help of them. And I learning knowledge coding language Java from the basics of trainer teachers. So good in Java from basics and good skill in programming language. And trainers communications are so good and friendly, and it's a very good platform to improve our skills, and faculty are very good, and HR team is also very supportive. Best institution and best training center according to my experience.